You may have heard me refer to the mini lathe as a precision or even a high precision lathe, and I want to be more specific about what I mean by that. I have here a drill case for some ordinary machinist drills. These are so-called number drills from 1 to 60, and the largest drill in this set is a number 1 drill, which is 228 thousandths in diameter, 0.228. And the smallest drill is 40 thousandths in diameter. It's a number 60 drill, and it is 0.040, 40 thousandths in diameter. Now, if you aren't already a machinist, you may not be real familiar with drills even as small as this, but in the world of machining there are much smaller drills, and we'll take a look at these. In this set, the largest drill is a number 61, and they go all the way down to 80. So the largest drill in this set is one size smaller than the smallest drill in that other set. And the smallest drill, which is a number 80, is truly a tiny little drill. Let me see if I can zoom in and give you a better sense of perspective on that. Well, here's our little number 80 drill next to a US dime, just to try to give you a better sense of scale. And it looks like you could take that drill and almost drill a hole through the 0 in the date if you were inclined to do that. Okay, I have a digital micrometer set up here, and it reads in units of 10 thousandths of an inch. So this last 0 here is 10 thousandths of an inch. This third digit is thousandths of an inch. So I take our little number 80 drill bit and put it in the anvil here, tighten it down. You can see it reads just about 13.5 thousandths, which is its nominal size. So when we're talking about a thousandth of an inch on the mini lathe, we're talking about 1/13 of that diameter. Now let's take a piece of ordinary household aluminum foil, kitchen foil, and we'll put that in here. You can see that measures the thickness of about 8.5, 10 thousandths, a little less than a thousandth of an inch. So these are the kind of tolerances we're talking about on the mini lathe. When you remove a thousandth of an inch of metal, that's the approximate amount, the thickness that you're talking about. So I hope that gives you a better sense of scale of the precision on the mini lathe. I have here a little workpiece I made as a demonstration in another video, and the dimension of the smaller diameter here is supposed to be 0.500 according to my plan, and we'll put it in the micrometer here and see what we measure. You can see it's about 3.5 10 thousandths over. This last digit here is 10 thousandths, so it's 0.50035, about 3.5 10 thousandths, well under a half a thousandth. And this was not the most careful work that I can do. It was done carefully, but I just retightened the anvil there. Now the 500 thousandths there is dropped off, but you can see it's very, very close to within the tolerance that I wanted, and well under a thousandth of an inch. So if your mini lathe is properly adjusted, if you use good, sharp, high-speed steel tools, and with some craftsmanship and expertise or experience, you can achieve tolerances under a thousandth of an inch pretty routinely on the mini lathe.